guys, in this video I will give you a quick view of how to use machine learning to predict hospital readmissions, achieving an accuracy of 94%. So let's first have a look over the dataset. We have picked a publicly available dataset from UCI repository containing diabetes patient data from 130 US hospitals containing approximately 1 lakh observations over 10 years. The dataset has over 50 features including patient characteristics, conditions, tests and 23 medications. But we are having quite imbalanced dataset. So first of all we need to balance the dataset. After that we will apply further modeling, that is models of machine learning. So we begin by loading the dataset, that is this CSV file, as a pandas data frame. So we begin by loading the dataset, that is the CSV file, as a pandas data frame. Also, I have used several Python libraries about which I will be discussing in detail in the next video. So in data pre-processing and feature engineering technique, we have first of all we have cleaned the data, that is we have dropped the bad data, we have dealt with missing values. Also we have modified the existing features using standardization and log transform method, and we have created new features from the existing ones as well. So here we are done with the data pre-processing. Now we will come to data modeling, that now we will apply machine learning model to the balanced data set which we are having. So in the next notebook we have applied 3 machine learning models on the data set to get good accuracy. So the models which we have used over here are logistic regression, random forest and decision tree. There are also several graphs plotted over here which signifies the most important features. So you can see the graph over here, it signifies the most important features according to the decision tree model. Here we have used a random forest. Again we are having the chart which plots the most important features according to the random forest. Also at last we have compared overall model performance metrics for different models. We have collected all the metrics and created a chart which is shown over here. Like you can see for logistic regression, decision tree entropy, random forest Gini, random forest entropy. Also we have attained the accuracy of 94%. Thank you, I'm done with this video and stay tuned for the next video.